Tonight, Pfizer is hitting the brakes, at least for now, on its COVID vaccine for the youngest age group, kids 6 months through 4 years old. The company says it's postponing its application for emergency use authorization and will wait for data on a 3-dose series of the vaccine because it believes 3 doses may provide a higher level of protection in this age group. The FDA says data came in rapidly during Omicron.
It makes sense for us to wait until we have the data from the evaluation of a 3rd dose before taking action.
An FDA advisory panel had been set to discuss the application next week, and the CDC had said if all went well, those youngest children could have started receiving the shots by President's Day.
Do you think Pfizer may have jumped the gun here?
I think Pfizer took a gamble and are now realizing that that gamble was probably not the right decision and are rethinking their strategy.
For adults, each Pfizer dose is 30 micrograms, but for the youngest children, each dose is just 3. Pfizer said in December that 2 doses for those kids did not generate a strong enough immune response in its trial. Yet just days ago, Pfizer's CEO seemed confident the FDA would sign off on 2 doses while awaiting more data for a 3rd.
I think that they will be pleased with the data and they will approve it.
But the wait now drags on for families like Aaron Parnas and his 3-year-old son, Bailey.
It's really kind of frustrating because we were looking forward to having him vaccinated as soon as we could.
Pfizer now says it expects data for that 3rd dose by early April, so it could be at least 2 months before the vaccine is authorized. Meanwhile, Moderna says it could have data for kids 2 to 5 years old by March.
And Gabe joining me now in the studio. Disappointing news for parents. There's also news tonight on booster shots. What have we learned?
Yes, Lester, there is. A new CDC report says that there is a decline in effectiveness from the booster shot after 4 months. And while the booster does still protect against severe illness, this report adds to the question about whether a 4th shot may be necessary.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.